Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can change time zone on your Slack. Maybe you want to change time zone of your Slack but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can change your time zone on Slack. Check the video description. I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Slack application and log in with your Slack account. And then from here, you would see here the U icon. Tap on this U icon at the lower right corner of your screen. From here, you'll see the preferences. Tap on it. And then in here, scroll down and you'll see in here the account settings. Simply tap on this account settings and then you'll be directed into this page. And then from here, to change the time zone of your Slack, you'll see in here the time zone. And then in here, tap on this expand button. In here, you'll see the time zone. You can tap on this drop-down button to see more time zone. After you choose, simply go back and then tap on Save Time Zone. As you can see, your time zone settings have been updated. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can change your time zone on Slack, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can change your time zone on Slack, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.